good afternoon everyone. So I'm Rémi Magro, European Sales Manager at Effilux, working there for 8 years almost now. And I'm today here with Kowa. And so I would like to show you, explain why we are satisfied by using the Kowa lenses. So it's a partnership that we started 4 or 5 years ago now. And as you can see here, for the Effilux Sharp or the Effilux, two of our standard products, we are also putting Kowa lenses on it directly because they are very reliable. The performance of it is very nice. We also really like the technical support we receive and the sales support from the Kowa team because they've got people almost everywhere. And we would like to keep going like this in the future. Effilux is a lighting manufacturer, also a solution provider for machine vision. We are the leading manufacturer in Europe now, existing for almost 15 years. We are 70 people. All the products you can see are made in France. We are part of CCS Group since the end of 2018, so a Japanese company like Kowa. The relation is still very nice between all of us.